This is shoulder exercise isometrics. A lot of people are going to be doing this post-surgically, and Philip has a ball. You don't have to use a soft ball like that. You could actually use a towel or some other type of cushion, and there are 6 directions with this. And with each direction, you want to apply light pressure with the arm or the hand for 5 seconds, and you want to repeat it 10 times. So the first position that Phil's going to do is flexion. So the ball goes between his fist and the door jamb, and all that Phil is doing is putting light pressure through his arm into the ball, holding it for 5 seconds 10 times. So that's the first position. Second position is extension. The ball is going to go behind him, behind his elbow, and see how his arm is staying in a nice neutral position. His elbow's at his side, and he's putting gentle backward pressure into it. Same deal, 5 seconds 10 times. The third position is what we call adduction or adduction. The ball goes between his elbow and his body, and that is a 5-second hold 10 times. The next position is abduction, where the ball is actually on the outside of his elbow, and he's putting light outward pressure into it in the same fashion. The second to last position is what we call internal rotation. This is a little tricky. He is making contact with the ball with his fist, and he's gently pushing his wrist into the ball, holding it for 5 seconds 10 times, like so, nice and easy. And then the last one is external rotation. Now notice here that he's making contact with the wrist again, rather than the elbow this time. So it's a light outward force, and as always, 5 seconds 10 times. So you have 6 positions in all, 5-second hold, light pressure 10 times each.